I just came out of the shower and I am putting some serum on my hair and combing them and tying them in a ponytail. Then I have sprayed some toner on my face and applying some moisturizer. This is a Johnson & Johnson baby cream. It's a rice water cream. It was not that moisturizing, so after this I used the Nivea face moisturizer. I am applying the same cream on my hands also. I do not use a separate hand cream because whenever you touch your face, if the cream is not good, it's not good for your face, then you should not be putting it up on your hands as well. Then I'm taking a primer. It's from Wet n Wild and I'm applying it over my entire face. So I'm taking a peachy corrector and orange corrector and mixing them and applying them. I'll be blending them with a beauty blender. It's a damp beauty blender. And then I'm taking a concealer. It's from Maybelline, the Age Rewind concealer. It has yellow undertones to it, so I'm applying only the concealer. I will not be applying the foundation today. I will keep it very natural on the face, and I'm going to cover the areas where I need the coverage. Suppose if you have redness, if you have pimples, you just need to cover those areas. That's it. I'm dragging the same concealer over my entire face. You can use the same sponge to drag it on your forehead as well. Now I'm taking the Makeup Revolution's foundation stick. It's a warm tone color. It's a bit dark for me and it's warm tone, so I'm going to bronze my face. I'm not using the neutral tone, so I'm not doing the sharp contour thing. I am just bronzing my face. So here I wanted to use a concealer I recently got. It's from Blue Heaven. It had the peachy undertone, so I'm using that also just to get more coverage on my face. Now you can see my face looks very flawless. I am setting it up with a compact powder. It's from L'Oreal. Now I'm filling my eyebrows. I am using the Wet n Wild eyebrow palette. I'm using the lighter shade first and taking the darker shade and putting it up in the end of my eyebrows. Do not use the dark shade in the beginning of your eyebrows. And then I'll take a blending brush. It's a synthetic brush, and I will blend my eyebrows. I will use some wax also to set them and give them a soapy kind of effect. I don't like to do the soap brows, but I like the effect of it, so I use this technique. And now it's time for the eyes. I'll be using the Balm palette. It's the Travel Volume 2 palette. It has bronzer, blusher, eyeshadows and a highlighter also, so I'm going to use this single palette. I'm just placing some pinkish brownish color on my crease, and I'm contouring my nose along with the crease area, and then taking a shimmer shadow and applying it on my lid area. Then I'm applying blusher. So it's kind of a French way of doing the red lipstick. If you see French people, they have subtle shimmer on the eyes and they use the red lipstick, and it looks very beautiful. I don't have that French face, but you can also carry, if you don't have a French face, you can also carry the same, but you need to use some different techniques that I'm going to show you today as well. So I'm applying the mascara here, and I noticed that my eyes are looking smaller, so I used brown liner to give some dimension to my eyes. And later you will see I realize that my eyes looking still smaller, so I will be using black liner in the end. Now I'm using a shimmer shade. it was not showing so much the shade that I used before. So I'm using the shade from Swiss Beauty palette. It's a shimmer pinky shade and I've applied it on my lid area. Then I applied a bit of more mascara. Now I'm just adding some more blush and the contour on my face. Since I have heavy lower face, so I definitely need a contour. If you don't need it, just skip the step. Now I'm blending everything with the Damn Beauty sponge. So here's the thing, I applied the red lipstick. It looked great in the camera, but in the real it didn't look good, so I thought I have to do it in my way. So I used a brown lipstick lip liner here, and I'm lining my lips with a brown lip liner, and then I will be applying the red lipstick, as you can see. So this was the second attempt, and this attempt looked more beautiful in real and on the camera as well. So whenever you have pigmented lips, do not apply red lipstick directly on your lips. Apply some nude lip liner, line your lips, and then apply the red lipstick, even if you are going to carry it casually. Now I'm blending the lipstick with my fingers and I'm checking if it's not gone outside my lip lines. In the end, what I did, I used some moisturizer on my hands and I'm blending everything on my face. So it gives very natural look on the face, because the warmth of your hands, it kind of blends everything. And I'm using my fingers to apply the highlighter also, blending the lips also. Here you can see I am just taking out the extra lipstick from my lips. So here's the final look. I hope you guys like it. As you can see, I'm adding the black liner again. So please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.